SHANTUI crawler hydraulic excavator is a new generation of 50-ton product manufactured by SHANTUI with strong power and reliable structure, which has been widely used in mine development, energy and coal mining, water conservancy construction, highway and bridge construction, and other projects. It is equipped with a Cummins QSM11 turbocharged engine with rated power of 280 kW, 2000 RPM, and emissions in accordance with the National 3 standard, which has the features of sufficient power reserve, high oil adaptability, and independent oil cooler control to effectively avoid overheating in summer and overcooling in winter, and convenient cleaning. The Kawasaki hydraulic system is used with small pressure loss, high flow distribution efficiency, smooth control of compound actions, and good coordination. In conjunction with SHANTUI's intelligent electronic control system, it realizes the optimal matching of power system and hydraulic system to effectively improve the working efficiency. The newly designed large cab with large curvature rear view mirror, high-power air conditioner, suspension seat, and protective net ensures work safety and comfort. As a benchmark brand within the industry, SHANTUI provides the driving wheels, guide wheels, supporting wheels, riding wheel, and tracks with guaranteed quality and high reliability to ensure excellent working performance under the mining conditions. The design of structural parts is optimized comprehensively. The key bearing positions are enhanced. The base plate, side plate, and reinforcement plate of the bucket are made of high-strength, wear-resistant materials to improve the durability of the bucket. And the multi-specification boom, bucket rod, and shovel head can be combined easily in allusion to various working conditions. To meet customers' individual needs, SHANTUI SE500LC can be equipped with various optional features such as electric fuel filling pump, 700-800mm track shoes, rear camera, travel slewing alarm, front upper protective net for cab alarm lamp, etc., which greatly improve the overall performance of the machine. SHANTUI SE500LC brings better driving experience to customers by virtue of its leading performance in its class.